How to remove iOS 26 beta and downgrade to iOS 18 without losing data. Open your settings app. Go to cellular or search for VPN. Make sure no VPN or device management profiles are connected. Go back to General, then tap Reset Network Settings. Next, go to Screen Time, go to Content and Privacy Restriction. Ensure all restrictions are disabled or set properly. Next is open your Safari and visit betaprofiles.dev. Scroll until you find iOS 18.5 or iOS 18 stable version. Tap download beside your preferred version. After downloading, return to settings where you'll now see profile downloaded at the top. Tap it, follow the on-screen instructions and install the iOS 18 configuration. Restart your iPhone to complete the downgrade. This method lets you safely revert from iOS 26 beta to iOS 18 without losing data.